Item number one is that the contractors have the tools. And on this job, the main tool that's kind of unique to this trade, in my mind, is all of the concrete forms. And that includes the stakes and turnbuckles, all of the tools to set up these forms. Yeah, you could buy them, but they're expensive, and you'd have to factor that into the cost of getting the job done. These guys are able to buy it all, but then take it from one job to the next, reusing and replenishing them as they go. On a job like this, it's almost like you're renting the forms from the contractor, and they come with free setup and teardown for your specific job. That's hard to beat. Item two is more about hiring a general contractor and what they're bringing. There's a general contractor on this job who hired this crew of concrete guys, and they've worked together for a long time. They've got a long track record, a lot of trust. It is not easy to find good subcontractors. I don't care where you are. It is hard. The good ones are so busy, and when you're busy, you can be kind of picky, choosy about doing the jobs that you want to do. And generally speaking, subcontractors like doing jobs for people they've worked for a lot of times because it's faster and they have trust established. If I had called these guys, I don't know if they would have done the job. I don't even know if they would have answered their phone. So when a general contractor is on the job, part of what you're getting is access to their subs. Being a contractor or a subcontractor is all about taking and managing risk. And when a contractor is working for someone brand new they've never worked with before, that is riskier. And so they generally have to charge more money to compensate or offset for the extra risk. The final reason is the speed, and we all know time is money, and this video hopefully helps you understand just how fast this job can go with the right crew. I think they were here for like 4 days or maybe 4.5 days. Not very long. I don't know how long it would have taken me to do this job. Probably a month, and then another month to correct the mistakes that I would have made. Now, I would like to try to do a foundation like this someday, but I think if I was going to do it, I would do a different style. Maybe I would lay it up with CMU blocks or use like an ICF form, because then I don't have that challenge of getting all the concrete forms. And with block, I could just kind of chip away at it, with just a trowel and a mixer. I'm not sure. Someday I'd like to do it, but on this project, I'm so grateful that these guys were in charge. If you have a project coming up and are hiring a contractor, I recommend you download our ebook or join Essential Craftsman Academy. We have a bunch of content and material we've put together with tips on how to find the right contractor, and having the right contractor is like 99% of having a job that goes smooth. So well worth the money. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.